My family loves to travel on weekends. That's why I make sure that our family car is on tip-top condition to keep us safe during our adventures. Kaya naman I always check my engine bago bumiyahe. Plus, I also use Pertua oil and metal treatment. With the help of Pertua, laging nakakondisyon ang makina ko para laging ready sa kahit anong biyahe. Some of Pertua's benefits include increased engine power and speed, reduced need for repairs, restored performance especially if luma na ang engine, extended fuel mileage and oil service life, and reduced harmful waste oil and emissions. Super versatile ng Pertua, kaya naman tinaguran ito bilang friend to all oils and guardian of metals. Madali lang din gamitin ang Pertua oil and metal treatment. Just open the oil filler cap of your engine at ibuhos ng unti-unti ang Pertua oil and metal treatment hanggang sa maubos ito. Tamang-tama rin ang paggamit ko ng Pertua kasi pabiyahe na naman kami pabalik ng Manila after the long weekend. Ramdam ko agad ang swabe na takbo at ganda ng hatak ng makina ko. Talaga nga namang sa Pertua, may ilalakas pa.